Delhi Capitals will look to bounce back after a loss to Royal Challengers Bangalore when they take on Kolkata Knight Riders at the Arun Jaitley Stadium on Tuesday, April 29. With a playoff spot in sight, DC will be desperate to put a clinical performance at home, while KKR, who have struggled for consistency this season, need a miracle to revive their campaign. The Capitals have looked more balanced, with Faf du Plessis returning at the top, and KL Rahul's form continues to be a major plus for them. On the other hand, KKR's bowling has been a concern, especially after conceding over 200 runs in the previous outing against the Punjab Kings. With both the teams hungry for 2 points, an exciting contest is on the cards at the capital. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. Delhi Capitals and Kolkata Knight Riders have faced off 34 times in IPL history. KKR have won 18 matches while DC managed to win 15. Now the weather and the pitch report for DC KKR match. The Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi usually offers good batting surface. While the last game was slightly low scoring, scores of 180 have been regular feature here in this season. The pitch tends to favor stroke makers, but there is something for the spinners and the pacers as well. The weather for the Tuesday will be hot, with temperatures hovering around 33 degrees Celsius and humidity around 43%. Now where to watch this match? This match will be broadcasted live on Star Sports Network in multiple languages. You can also stream the match on Jio Hotstar application and website for free. Moving on to probable playing 11s of both the teams. Firstly, the Delhi Capitals. Abhishek Porel opening alongside Faf du Plessis, having KL Rahul at number 3, Akshar Patel the captain at number 4, Karun Nair at number 5, Tristan Stubbs at number 6, Ashutosh Sharma at number 7, Vipraj Nigam at number 8, Mitchell Starc at number 9, Kuldeep Yadav at number 10, Dushmanta Chameera at number 11, and impact substitute can be Mukesh Kumar. Moving on to Kolkata Knight Riders. Rahmanullah Gurbaz, the wicket keeper, opening alongside Sunil Narine, having Ajinkya Rahane the captain at number 3, Ankush Raghuvanshi at number 4, Venkatesh Iyer at number 5, Rinku Singh at number 6, Andrew Russell at number 7, Ramandeep Singh at number 8, Andrik Nokia or Moeen Ali at number 9, Vaibhav Arora at number 10, Harshit Rana at number 11, and Varun Chakravarti can come in as the impact player. Now the top fantasy picks and hot picks for this match. Firstly, the top picks. Sunil Narine from KKR, consistent both with bat and ball when you could suit his bowling style. Mitchell Starc from Delhi Capitals, a key wicket taker in the power play and the death overs. Now the captaincy picks. KL Rahul from Delhi Capitals is in fine form and is consistently scoring in the middle overs. Akshar Patel again from Delhi Capitals, handy with bat, wicket taker with ball in hand, took 2 wickets against RCB. Now moving on to the budget picks. Harshit Rana from KKR, picking up crucial wickets, relatively cheap option. Abhishek Porel from Delhi Capitals, batting in the top order and available at a budget-friendly price. Moving on to the creamy part, Dream 11 fantasy teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are KL Rahul and Abhishek Porel. Batsmen are Ajinkya Rahane, Faf du Plessis, Ankush Raghuvanshi, and Karun Nair. All-rounders are Sunil Narine and Akshar Patel, and the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Varun Chakravarti, and Kuldeep Yadav. This team will be led by KKR's captain Ajinkya Rahane, having all-rounders Sunil Narine as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are KL Rahul, batsmen are Abhishek Porel, Ajinkya Rahane, Tristan Stubbs, and Rinku Singh. All-rounders are Akshar Patel and Sunil Narine, and the bowlers are Harshit Rana, Kuldeep Yadav, Mitchell Starc, and Varun Chakravarti. This team will be led by KL Rahul as the captain and Akshar Patel as the vice-captain. Now players to avoid in this high-stakes match. Chetan Sakaria from KKR has been ineffective in his comeback game and may not be a vice fantasy pick. Ashutosh Sharma from Delhi Capitals bats too low to offer consistent fantasy points unless there is a collapse. Now the final segment, match winners prediction. With both the sides under pressure, Delhi Capitals come into this fixture looking more settled, especially with KL Rahul and Faf du Plessis providing solidity at the top order. Expect DC to dominate the proceedings, but if Narine and Russell fire, KKR can spring a surprise. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more analysis, match predictions, and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.